Welcome back to another video by Solutions. Today we will show you some cool and powerful DIY inventions you need to see. So stick to this video till the end, make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to turn on the notification icon. First up, Bosch Cutting and Sanding Tool. Whatever the situation in life, Bosch's cordless multi-purpose tool Easy Cut and Grind has it covered. The strong Li-ion powered motor in the cutter is ideal for convenient, one-handed operation in tight spaces. Its compact size as well as the two-step activation ensures safe use, no matter the user's experience level. The tool is ideal for cutting and sanding on wood, metal, plastic, and other materials up to 14 mm. Next up, SpinaClean. SpinaClean, home of Skyvac, is respected as one of the most innovative and pioneering businesses within the international cleaning industry. They help organizations and individuals make complex high-level cleaning simple and cost-effective, by providing the most powerful, energy-efficient, and portable products on the market. Next up, Milwaukee. Milwaukee M12 fuel installation drill/driver features 4 dedicated solutions, delivering unrivaled access and control with up to 300 pounds of max torque. The 4 dedicated heads, including a 3/8 chuck, offset driver, 1/4 hex, and right angle, can attach in 16 different positions. This provides you with a 4-in-1 drilling and driving solution that is purposefully designed to reach uniquely challenging locations. Next up, Batavia Neck Saw. It is not without reason that the Neck Saw was named Garden Tool of the Year and Power Tool of the Year 2020 by the British DIY Week magazine. This handy, compact one-hand battery-powered chainsaw is small in size but great in results. The Neck Saw is extremely suitable for both the consumer and the professional. The powerful 18-volt motor easily cuts through branches with a diameter of up to approximately 11 centimeters. It can handle approximately 150 branches with a diameter of 3.5 centimeters, with a full 2Ah battery. Next up, Batavia, a cordless water pump. It's a unique battery-operated water pump, no more extension cords needed. It can be easily placed in a rain barrel, with the integrated suspension bracket, and can be installed at any desired location. It has got a telescopic tube, for easy height adjustment, and one full battery is good for 40 minutes of pumping, with 30 meters of garden hose. Next up, Wagner 915E Steam Cleaner. The steamer is a multi-purpose, chemical-free steam cleaner that can be used to clean countless areas around your home, including bathrooms, kitchens, floors and more. Next up, drywall axe. Drywall is the time-saving 3-in-1 cutting tool, designed for safety, the accuracy and versatility. Anybody can easily measure, mark and cut with this one tool. Its built-in heavy-duty measuring tape and secure lock are the most unique features. Drywall axe makes it easy to get the professional result in less time, no more measuring flights and then cutting. Now you can measure and cut in simple steps, just pinpoint the start, and determine the width required, then lock it down physically. This is the Wagner Control 150M high-efficiency airless paint technology sprayer. It is the ideal solution for DIY enthusiasts who want to achieve a perfect paint finish. Compared to standard pressure airless sprayers, this highly efficient, but the pressure-reduced pump has 55% less overspray. So, there is less prep work required and less mess to clean up. The softer spray jet makes it easier to control, decreasing the chance of runs in the paint. It is suitable for wood, metal, wall, and ceiling paints, including emulsion and smooth masonry for exterior walls. Next up, ScanGrip LED work lights. The new generation of ScanGrip detailing and color match lights for the painting industry will strike you as being the widest and most sophisticated range on the market, with significantly improved lighting and battery technology. The new product range has embedded all possible needs for effective and specially designed work lights, including suspension and stand solutions for both stationary and flexible positioning of the lights to match the specific work task. The ScanGrip lighting solutions increase the quality and finish of each individual operation and reduce the rate of time-consuming and costly rework. Due to the special LED features, this lighting range is perfect for any paint, polish, cleaning, or prep zone operation. Next up, BESI, systematic mounting of door frames. Modern technology for mounting door jambs using mounting foam requires the use of special tools, which allow precise alignment and support. With the BESI door fixing tool, you have developed an internationally recognized mounting aid that meets these demands. This, combined with the Tux extension, TFM door frame screw, and WTR frame bracket, makes a system simply perfect for mounting doors. The next tool in today's list is McElroy Polygon. It is one machine for butt, miter, and socket fusion. It is the first manual butt fusion machine that is data logger compatible. It allows installers the flexibility to complete butt and miter fusions from 0 to 45-degree angles, and has the additional capability to perform socket fusions. This 3-in-1 machine's simple design and lightweight make it the ideal prefabrication tool on polypropylene and polyethylene pipe job sites. Last, but not least, the LineMaster GPS system is one of the most advanced lines marking systems anywhere in the world. Using military-spec optical and satellite technology, the LineMaster allows you to mark any pitch, track or court without the need for measuring out with reel and string. It has got touchscreen technology, which is easy to use and guides you around, while the actuator arm does the hard work for you of keeping the line straight and turning off automatically when you reach the end of the line. Combined with PitchMark's proven line markers, paint, and service and support, the LineMaster is the ultimate line marking tool.